Hi, welcome to Skulearn, your number one platform for personal growth, identity discovery, leadership training, and life orientation. Today, we'll be learning about career exploration through self-alignment. Have you ever asked or heard someone ask this question? What should I study? Or what career should I pursue? The purpose of this course is to help you build a career that matches who you are, not just what is available. This course focuses on clarity, direction, and smart decisions, so your career fits your identity and your life. Module 1. Discovering what you like. Before you think about what to study or what jobs you might work in, you must first understand you. Who are you? What have you discovered about yourself? Everyone likes different things. Some people enjoy helping others, some like fixing things, some enjoy creating, and others love solving problems. Your interests are clues. They show you what kind of work might make you happy one day. There are no wrong interests. Even something like gaming, drawing, talking, or organizing can lead to real careers. Key ideas. Interests are hints about your future. What you enjoy matters. You don't need to have everything figured out yet. Ask yourself, what do I enjoy, what am I good at, and what really matters to me right now? Do this interest map exercise. Draw a circle in the middle of a page and write me. Around it, write or draw. Things you enjoy doing. School subjects you like. Things you do for fun. Module 2. Exploring different types of jobs. There are many jobs in the world, more than most people know. Jobs are grouped into different industries. Here are some examples. Health, doctors, nurses, therapists. Technology, coders, game designers, IT support. Creative arts, artists, musicians, designers. Business, entrepreneurs, marketers, managers. Education, teachers, trainers. Engineering, builders, problem solvers, inventors. You don't need to pick one now. The goal is to explore. Key ideas. Jobs are grouped into industries. There are more options than you think. Exploring helps you discover new possibilities. Do this career discovery list exercise. Write down 5 jobs you already know, 5 jobs you just learned about today. Circle the ones that sound interesting.